How to create a CV using Chatgpt. Now, creating a resume or a CV using Chatgpt is very easy and straightforward. As long as you will provide all the information that you need for your CV or your resume, you will not have any problem. Examples are: state your name on the very first text of the context right here on ChatGPT, and then identify what specific resume are you going to create. For example, please help help me create a CV of a video editor, somewhat like that. Now, if you do have additional experiences, you can actually add it right here. Now, if you also wanted to add your background of how you graduated your school, then you can also add it, or basically your educational background, your reference as well, and then your general information like your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and then your working email address, and as well as your working phone number. Again, you just need to be specific when it comes to creating CVs or resumes on ChatGPT for you to be able to have the specific CV or resume you wanted. So that is how you create a CV using ChatGPT.